Kangaroo is with K, koala's with K, kiwi is with K. Yes, sir, hooray! The letter K is key, you see. It starts great words for you and me. Kangaroos hop in Australia. That's a land far from Somalia. Koalas nap up in the trees. Let's clap and dance with K.
Say cheese!
K is the key, come sing with me. For kangaroos and kites so free. Kittens, kettles, king and kite. K is cool and shines so bright. We can kick a ball and knit a cap. Keep it kind, give a friend a clap. With knowledge we grow every day. The letter K shows us the way. Can you